Hey guys, in this video we'll be learning how to create aluminium door and window design on an arc wall. Let's get started. So firstly, click into the aluminium door customization. Right, next thing we want to do is go to our roaming mode. Alright, so over here is an arc wall, so we can double click. Right, so first thing we want to do is I would like to add in a casement window. Alright, so over here you can set the frame automatically or you can customize yourself. Okay, so for the arc wall you'll need to customize your very own casement window. Okay, so just drag it here and then use the position to adjust. Alright, and then we can also add in some panels, and then we can always adjust the size. Alright, then over here I would like to add in one panel, 600, another one, 600. Alright, so now I have the frame. We can just click on the turnable fan and start putting in the windows. Alright, once it's done, you may just click on complete. Alright, and there you have it, the casement window. Alright, so over here we can also create a sliding door. Okay, so same thing, I'll put in the customize. Alright, so if you want to drag, you can always increase the size. Right, next thing we want to do is to change this to a top rail before we put in the sliding door. Right, once it's done, click on complete. And there you have it. This is how to create aluminium door and window design on an arc wall. Good luck trying, guys.